You know what I'm saying? Make some noise if you know who out this is. Wait a minute, let me stop. Okay, here we go from the top to every area. Go with every stair we go in and drop. Wait a minute, I gotta pause. Okay now, starting back up, hit play now. Partisan pumps, ain't no such thing as loud enough. Man, for the big Midwest, please give it a rest and cease it. Please rest in peace. Someone test me, it's best to cheat. Say hit the best of the best, agree the best, believe it. Anybody in my way better? How to be bullshit, buddy, you better. Get it out of my face and get a job. Got mine, I better stop. Better OH10, you know you don't. Come close, no suit, you won't approach me in my zone. I know you won't. I'm here, finally here. Go bring my wine and my beer. Barely sometimes it's a sign of good times of rock, so don't fear. Play the Jack D. Actually, that me. Actually, that me. And that bag of weed. It's the weekend. I'm sick of thinking, singing in the deep end. Then drinking, pass out, sleeping. Then have a girlfriend, put them on a glass. Put me on a hat, I'ma put them on a gas. Hit them with so many venomous thoughts, I'ma let them put the winner from the back. Put it from the back. If it's not right, tell me to drop and roll up. Hop, put them in a water, many more use the button for you. So you can't stop me, say. You can't stop me, say. You can't stop. Come on, say it. You can't stop me, say. Is that shit right, man? Yeah. Wait a minute, let me stop. Okay, here we go from the top to every area, code every stereo in the drop. Wait a minute, I gotta pause. Okay now, started back up and play now. Partisan bumps, ain't no such thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I speak. They say it sound foreign when I speak. I just hit them with a little bit of this, a little bit of that crap. I can do a snoring in my sleep. Till you don't really wanna go to where you're killing me. You know I'm the artillery, I'm bombing with Osama shit. So down in the pit, you killing me, really you're so there. They really come there. Put them in the air with wheels, do with the breeze, do it. Put them in the air with wheels, do with the breeze, do it. See you when I see you with the white to inside you to eat, rise to it, advise to it. Gotta get it now, get it while I get it good. Gotta have to get it while I get it. Contract, put it in a bit of listen to me. Hey, fuck that shit, skip that shit. Y'all get it? Hey, give me some more energy right now if you're still in the place with me. If y'all ready to see Rock Mars and everybody who else is with me, make some noise tonight. Yeah. Give it up for everybody who rocked the stage before me tonight. Yeah. RML, me and Mike's Dog Records, baby. Yeah, skip that. My DJ Booth in the place. Yo, turn my mic down a little bit. Skip that. Yeah. How I sound? I sound too loud, right? Am I hurting? It's cool? Yeah, exactly. Fuck sound check. Story of my life. Yo, turn my mic down just a little bit. We might do some of that. We might do some of that. Let's roll on to the next one, man. There we go. Turn the music up in my monitors, man, so I can have fun while I rap. I gotta hear it, I'm deaf. Ugly as ever, yo. Sweat. Ugly as ever. Sweat. First and foremost, I lurk in the North Pole with a fake the corn pole is looking a smart coat. Broken his cornrow, flow so godly and Lord knows he with nobody like Orco. I'm with the megahertz. If you said it first, you thought was hot. I bet I said it first, but edited better words. Fuck all that rapidy rap shit. I'll be back in the lap with a stack of these fat chicks. Acting where the skinny ones at. I got the Pentium stack to buy the Benjamins at. Feel like I'm pinning this ass. Could have been cinnamon, in a room in the center. I'm sure the Penman finished the war. You think I fuck Foreign Hill? Finish the score. If you let me finish the fucking sentence, kill him for sure. Can I? Okay then, I'm out scoring, now whoring. Inhale polo until I Ralph Lauren. Loud snoring, without urine. You're soon to fall out of. I'm all out of. Best rapper to say best rapper. It's best rapper to stay out the left path when I spit best swag. Say swag. If you got swag, put your motherfucking hands up in the sky. Good, I don't like swag. Don't be no swagging. No swag. This is random. Y'all having a good time right now? Let me hear y'all say, man bites on. Man bites on. Say, man bites on. Man bites on. This is random. I'm getting antsy. I want that megahertz shit to drop so I can get a granny. I'm only thinking Lil Low Granny. She inspired half the lyrics with her Lil Low fans. Skittles don't hand me the riddle and strip I'm getting bruised and eyes. I'm just doing my job, they're comparing you to Nas. Pardon me, I meant they're comparing you to God. But as long as they don't compare me, then you know who I'm fine. Daddy, I'm a rebel. Ran out of anger lights and battle stake at night. Out of war without a way to fight. These hoes keep me on my toes, ballerina tights. You think you're on fire, Ricky Bobby, Talladega Nights. Got a problem with how you haters fight them alligator fights. I'll stomp you out in alligator nights, pussy. Say yeah, say do that shit, come on, yeah, yeah. Say do that shit, do that shit, do what?
Do that shit, do that shit.
Come on, y'all get say do that shit, do that shit, do what?
Do that shit, do that shit, do it.
Say real hip hop is over here.
Real hip hop is over here.